Students, in last class we started playing with number. Yes, in that we discussed about factors. Yes, now we'll start multiples. Okay, multiples. I'll write the definition first. Multiples of a number is number multiplied with natural numbers See, multiples of a number is a number multiplied with natural number. This is the definition of multiples. I'll give an example and after I'll explain this. See here, this is what? Multiple. If you multiply any two numbers, means see what by definition what is a multiples of a number is a number is multiplied with natural numbers. Natural numbers means what? First starts from 1 and so on up to infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. These are what? Natural numbers only. See, multiples of a number is a number with which multiplied with a natural number. Then what will get? The product. That we call multiples. You understand? One more example I'll give. Write 5 multiples of 3. Then how we can write? 5 they asked. 5 multiples means this only. Last what will get answer? That only multiples. Yes. 3 ones are 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15. They asked 3 only. Yes. These are the multiples. Yes. You understand now what are the multiples? Multiples means multiple of a number is a number which is multiplied with a natural number. Then what will get answer? That we call the multiples. If they asked here 2 means we have to write only 2. You understand how to write the multiples? Yes. We'll see now some of the conclusions. See some conclusions of multiples. We understand how to write multiples and definition of multiples. Now some conclusions of multiples. Yes, I'll take one example. I'll take 2 ones are 2, 2 2s 4, 2 3 6. Yes, first one will say every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Means what? See, the number every multiple of a number is greater, yes, greater than or equal to that number. What we get here? What we got here? 2 ones are 2. Same number or greater number? Same number only will get. If you take anything, whatever number will take, 4 ones are 4. If you take 23 also, 23 ones are 23. Same number will get. And next, see, by observing this table, 2 ones 2 or any table, if you take 3 table or 4 table, if you see this one, by going down, the value of number is increasing. Yes, 4, 6, again 2 4s are 8. Will get any less number than 2? No, we will see greater numbers here. If you take any table, 4 table or 5 table, as we moving down, then the value of number is going to increase. So what they said here, every multiple of a number is greater. These are greater only. Yes, greater or equal to that number. We can't see here any less than 2. If you take 3 here in 3 table, we can see any less than 3 number. We can say any 1 or 2. No. 3 ones 3, 3 twos 6. Like this here increasing. We can't say a less number. That only first one. Every multiple of a number is greater or equal to that number. We can't say less numbers here in multiples. Okay. Next one is number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Infinite means what? Which we can't count. Can't count. Okay. Infinite means which we cannot count. While explaining factors, I said factors are countable. Yes, either 5 or 4 like that. But for multiples, it is infinite. We cannot count that. See example here only. I'll say 2 ones 2. I am taking 2 only example. Again, if you write up to 2 tens are 20. Yes. Even 2 11s also we can do. Yes, I'll write here. 2 11s also we can do. 11 to the 22. Next 2 into 23 like that. So on we can do. Yes, so it is uncountable. We cannot count. So it is infinite. The number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Next one is every number is a multiple of itself. Yes. If you take any number here, if you take 7 or 8, 8 ones are 8 only will get, 8 ones are 7 will get. No, whatever here will be number, that only same digit again will get here, that only here third one. Every number is a multiple of itself, the number which is multiple of itself only. Yes, we understand these three. First one, what? Every multiple of a number is greater or equal to that number. We can't see less numbers. Okay, next one is number of multiples is multiples of a given number is infinite, means we cannot count that. Next, every number is a multiple of itself. Yes, we understand now. Next, we will go to the exercise. Next one is exercise 3.1. In that first main, write all the factors of the following numbers. Yes, first one what they gave? 24. How to write factors? Well, explaining factors, what I said, say what I said on the day. If you, example I am saying here, factors definition, factor definition what? First I will explain, see this one. Here 2 is a number if it divides exactly. See 2 2s are 4 na? What will get? 0. Yes, if this number divides the given number exactly. Exactly means what? In remainder place, what we have to get? 0. If we got 0 in remainder place, then the number divisor which is exactly divides the given number. So 2 is a factor of 4. This only on the day I explained. Yes, factors means how we can write. Example here, 2 is a divisor. Divisor, quotient, remainder. Yes, the number 2 which divides the given number. Here is given number is what? 4. If 2 divides 4 exactly, exactly means in remainder place we have to get 0. Yes, 2 2s 4. If you do subtraction, we will get 0 only. Yes, if we got 0 in remainder place, then we can say 2 is a factor. 2 is exactly divides 4. So we can say 2 is a factor of 4. In we can write this one. How we can write? 2 into 2 equals to 4. 2 into 2 equals to 4. This only we can write in this way. See, one more I will give. Here is 3. Okay. 6 in 3 table, where we can see 3 2s are 6. Yes, 3 2s are 6. How we can write? 3 is a divisor place. 3 is in divisor place. Yes, already 6 is there. The 6 is given number. How we can write? 2. 2 we have to write in quotient place. 3 2s are 6. If you do subtraction, what will get? 0. So if you got 0 in remainder place, then 3 exactly divides the 6. Means 3 is a factor of 6. How we can write again? We can write in this form. Yes. In division form we can write in this way. In multiplication form we can write in this way. But numbers are same. Yes. We'll see here first one. See, first one is 24. How we can write factors? Means we can these 24 number in which table is there, we can check. First we'll see in one table. 124 is a, yes, 24 only will get. 124 is a 24. Next in 2 table, yes, 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, so on. 2 tens are 20. Yes. Next we want 24. 2 11s are 22. We want 24 now. Next 2 12s are. If you do 12 twos also will get same answer. 2 12s also we get same answer, 24. So we can write 2 into 12. Next, still where we can see 24 in which table? 3. Yes, 3 8 is 24. In 4 table, 4 6 is 24. Check in 5 table. Yes, 5 ones 5. I'll write here 5 table. 5 ones 5, 5 twos 10, 5 threes 15, 5 fours 20, 5 fives are 25. What is the question? 24. We want 24. But here is, if you go down, the value of number is increases. Yes, 5, 10, 15. In every table, the number is going to increase. Yes. Here is after 20 what we got here? 25. But we want 24. So 24 is not there in 5 table. So in 6 also same. So these are the factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, 8, 12, 24. These are the factors. Factors of 24 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, next 6, 8, 12 and 24. You understand? Once again I will repeat. If they ask, write all the factors of following numbers. If they ask factors of 24, then how we can write? We have to check in each table. Is the given number is present or not? In one table, 124 is 24 only. If you see 24 ones are 24, also will get same answer 24. And next, if you check in 2 table, 2 12s are 24. See, by the first once again I'll repeat it. By the definition of factor, what? Factor of a number which is exactly divides the given number. Yes, see what I said, that example, if you do like this 2 2s 4, if you get in remainder place, we will get what? If we got 0 in remainder place, then 2 is exactly divides 4, so 2 is a factor of 4. Yes, we'll check this one. Okay, already we written this. Once again we'll check. Okay, if you take this one, I am dividing 12 by 2. Okay, 2 6 are 12. If you do subtraction, we'll get 0 only in remainder place. So if you got 0, then it is what the number in divisor place, it is a factor of this number. Yes, we can write in this way also. 2 into 6 will get 12. Yes, in the same way, if you do this one, all division, that all, then we'll get these the factors. You understand first one? We'll go to the second. Again same. The given number is 15. I have to check in which table 15 is there or not. Yes, 1 15 is a 15. Yes, 1 is common for every number and itself is a factor of every number. Yes, 50, if you do 15 ones are 15 also will get 15 only. Yes, next where will get 2 table, no, 2 sevens are 14 will get, 2 8s is 16 is big number than what, see here, 2 sevens are is 14. If you do from 2 ones are 2 to 2 is 4 so on, 2 sevens are 14, next 2 8s is 16 is big number. We can't see 15 in 2 tables. So 2 is not factor of 15. If you check in 3 table, 3 5s are 15 will get. Yes. In 4 table again, no, we can't see 15 in 4 table. So these are the factors of 15. Factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15. Yes, 1, 3, 5 and 15. While explaining factors, some conclusions of factor, what I said, 1 is common for what? Every number. Here also we got 1, here also we got 1. Yes, and 15, whatever the given number, that should be, that will be a what? Itself a factor. Yes, whatever the given number is a itself a factor. See here, 24 is there, even 24 also factor only here. 15 is there, 15 also factor. Yes, we understand. Next we will go to the third one. Next we will see third one. Okay, see what the given number is 21. See 21. In which table we can get 21? Yes, 1 is common. 1 is a common for every number. 1 is a factor for every number and itself is a factor of every number. Yes, 121s are 21 only will get. Next, in which table we will see 21? Yes, 3 table. 3 sevens are 21 will get. Yes, these are the factors of 21. Okay, factors of 21 is what? 1, 3, 7 and 21. 1, 3, 7 and 21. Factors are very easy. Just we have to check in which table is there or not. That we have to write. These are the factors. Next we will go to the D1, 27. Again same. 1 sevens are 27. Next where we can see 2 table. No, we can't see 27. Yes, 3 table. 3 9s are 27. Yes. Still, that's it. Okay, these are the factors of 27 is 1, 3, 9, 7. 1, 3, 9 and what? 27. These are the factors of what? 27. We'll continue in a next class.